So, balls. Okay, so let's get to work. And step 2 in the beautification process of Amelia, we're doing a bed liner, which is going to be super nice with the fresh camper on it. It's going to be, yeah, just doing standard black roll-on bed liner. I think it's Herculiner that I bought, so I have to sand that entire thing. Yes. Well, we just got back from giving her a nice wash and got nice coffee, my borrowed 20-volt DeWalt sander, some overpriced small Mountain Town hardware store sanding discs, and a truck bed that needs to be sanded. So, balls. Okay, so let's get to work. Well, we gave her a light scuff kind of everywhere except the bad spots. I hit a little heavier, but now just hitting it with a quick little degreaser and slap it on. And I know there are much more legitimate ways to do this, but oh well, it's not like it can't be touched up, and it's not like it's not a 40-year-old Toyota. Not saying that I don't care about it, just saying it is what it is.
What you doing?
I'm having the absolute scared out of me by a Ford F-150 horn. That's what I'm doing. Also, getting all the soil. And then that crack there. For the first time, you probably won't turn red if you touch this truck bed. This paint loved to come off on everything, including your skin and clothes.
And the outside couch cushions that I just hosed down.
Look. Listen, Linda. I'm just a man. I'm just out here trying.
You're doing great.
Hey, thanks, honey. I sense absolutely zero sarcasm in that statement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's definitely the little tiny details in doing a job like this that really start to get pretty dang tedious, if you ask me, but whatever, it'll be worth it. How many different tools to like wipe things do I have right now? Well, we have discovered quite a bit of rust, which is to be expected, it being a 41-year-old Toyota. But what I'm doing, wire wheeling it to bare metal, and then degreasing it, and then headlining it. It's gonna go well.
Good eye is just good day in Australian.
Good eye.
Good eye.
G'day. Yeah.
Good eye. You alright?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so truck bed is prepped. I actually feel like I did a decent job. It'll be fine, honestly. So now on to the actual bed liner. So here's what comes in the Herculiner roll-on bed liner kit from Amazon. Fully sponsored. Just kidding, that's a lie. They have no idea who I am and I paid full price. So we got a little roller. My wife just burned herself on the door sill of my truck because it's sitting in the sun, so that was funny. Brushy brush. 2 rollers. First coat, second coat, or first coat, second coat, doesn't matter. And then a gigantic tub, a gallon tub of actual Herculiner. And some destructions, which are actually fairly intense if I'm real with you. So prep is done, okay, cool. I don't need to tape anything, it's a truck bed. Mix appropriately, wearing, dyslexia is a hell of a drug.
Read the English side.
Now, vel recommendons de porter. Oh, wrong side. We recommend wearing disposable gloves. Got him. I have one pair, one shot, one opportunity. Sees everything you ever wanted. Open the can of Herculiner and use a stir stick or a broken off piece of pallet to mix. Yes. Pour that into a paint tray or an old piece of Tupperware that we don't have a lid for anymore. And then do actually, they say to brush it first. So we're gonna brush all the corners and edges. So, all right, well, this may suck a bit, actually. Gotta do it. Oh Lord, ow, I'm too old for this. Okay. Let's see, I've never seen a paint can with a plastic ring like this. Oh. There we go. Okay. Easy. May need, it's coming. Yeah, I need a flathead.
Does say in the instructions that 1 gallon only does a 6-foot truck bed. I didn't believe it, but I can believe it now. This sucks.
Hey friends, well, first coat is done. Second coat has to happen within 24 hours. So that is going to be a tomorrow thing. Why does it look like I have a lazy eye right now? Well, maybe not. Oh, that's weird. Anyways, yes, first coat is done. And let me tell you, this stuff sucks to deal with. Holy crap. I mean, if you're gonna do this, have endless amounts of latex gloves and wear things you do not care about. This is just as messy, if not messier, than like a knuckle rebuild on one of these trucks. This is ridiculous. So, is what it is though. Made it happen. All right, well, she is officially bedlined. First ever time doing this. And yeah, let me tell you, stuff is nasty. Stuff is so messy. It gets just absolutely everywhere. So if you intend on doing this, make sure to wear things that you do not care about. I accidentally wore a shirt I did care about, but well, that happened. So unfortunately, here we are. But have many, 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 many pairs of gloves. Wear things you don't care about. And prepare for some not too horribly fun hours of your life. But it's done. So stoked on that.